guys, and welcome back to the channel once again. So what have I got in my hands? This is an Airtec intercooler. So what does this do, you may be asking yourselves? Well, I don't really have the answer for that, but all I know is colder air into the turbo, more power, go faster. That's basically all I know. There's a pretty good explanation on YouTube. This Engineering Explained, he does all that, and yeah, that's really interesting. But yeah, it basically just brings in colder air. You charge up the colder air and you can make more power, and everything's just better when it's not as hot as it was factory. So this cost me a couple of quid. I think it was ballpark 250. I bought it off Facebook Marketplace, and it's pretty much brand new. I think he said he had it on there for like a week or so, and he took it straight back off. So I've had this in storage. It's dusty, but I'm ready to put it on. I've got modified insurance now, so everything's covered if I was in a crash or got nicked, and that's the main thing. So yeah, you're going to be seeing a lot more modifications now that I have got insurance on the vehicle. I know some people don't really tell their insurance, but I'm living in a bit of a dodgy area. If any of you know Barry, I could wake up and my car's missing, so it's better safe than sorry, isn't it? So without further ado, let's crack on with this. We're going to get this installed. I think it's literally just a couple of bolts to get the bumper off, a couple of bolts to get the standard intercooler off, trim a bit of the bumper, and job's a good one. So let's get into it, boys. So you've got these two little torque bits on each side of the stock intercooler, but you've also got these Jubilee, I believe they're Jubilees. But what I've done is you can get like sort of your 7mm up there. You can see it just about there, 7mm up there, just to release them so you can pull the intercooler off. So I'm going to undo these first. It's just the two on each side, and then we'll have a go at taking these torque bits off. It's pretty simple, pretty much. Our bumper probably would have taken longer if I put it all back together properly, so you may have a harder time than me, but I was smart and I didn't put everything back together properly, so take that as you will. But we'll crack on with getting them off. Cracking on with the job. Unfortunately, this engine isn't designed perfectly, but I will be getting an oil catch can at the end of the month when the old payday comes in. But yeah, what we'll do now is we'll grab the new part and we'll mock this up, see how it sits. So I think I'm gonna have to drill into this metal bar, this crash bar, just to give it an extra bit of support. So of course I didn't read the instructions properly. I don't know why, but I'm just one of those guys. I'm trying to give a tutorial and I'm not even reading the instructions myself, but it says make sure the top middle bracket is on the inside of the crash bar. This is not used for European models. So of course this is a UK model, and I've just popped the tab up behind there. I took off the 13mm bolts for the crash bar, and I just basically pushed that back with the sort of the installation of the crash bar. So that's up tight against there. So I don't know where I got bolting from. I just put two and two together. There's already a hole there. I thought bolt it. So I'm sure you should bolt it if my crash bar was like in line. I don't know. It doesn't say anything about drilling on the instructions, so yeah, don't follow these instructions from me because I'm an idiot, but please watch the video, give us a like and subscribe for more dodgy tutorials, guys. So now I'm just cutting these two sides. If you have the normal brass grill, you need to do this. I'm going to be installing the John Cooper Works bumper soon, so I'll have to do some cutting there as well. So I am following the instructions for this one. It says to remove these two tabs and its pictures. I just hate reading. One side. Easy job. Right, what's next? So we've got an instruction here to remove 110 mil from the left and the right of the bottom of the grill as shown. So I've mocked up the bumper, and what I'm assuming is starting from about the first tab there, 110 mil around by here, so we've got some clearance for the grill to go back in. I think that's what we're doing. I'm pretty confident in that. This bumper is literal scrap to me, so I'm glad I'm trialing this and showing you so you don't have to mess up your bumper. So yeah, I'm gonna cut off these two tabs here, and then I'll do some cutting and I'll let you know how it goes. What I've done, pretty happy with it. Use the multi-tool here. I would highly recommend getting one if you're modifying your cars, because a lot of trimming is required for a lot of things. So I've kept this tab, and I've kept these three tabs. I've kept that tab there, and I've cut out all this space here. So I've left about 3 fingers on each side from these tabs here. I've cut off the tabs on the inside of this here. So now I'm gonna plug this in, and hopefully it all bolts up lovely. Right, so last little step was actually cable tying this air temperature sensor to the fog light. All we need to do now is plug this back in, the 2 fog lights back in. This is all trimmed ready, and we're away. So let's crack on and get this thing back together. Put it all back together. I'm just gonna get a quick clip of how it sounds with the front end off. Right guys, I've just recorded some clips down a road that is quite near to my house. The clips with the front end off were incredible, to be fair. The car sounds unreal. I did some drive-by clips, which you're going to see now. I'm going to end out this video straight after those clips. So if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like the noise that this car is making already, please give me a thumbs up, because I think the car sounds so good right now, and it burbles lovely when you're just stationary. And yeah, comment down below if you think I could do any better. The editing on this video, I really think I'm moving in the right direction in terms of the sound that comes in at the right time, the way I transition the clips, all that sort of stuff. I'm learning. We keep moving forward. Please, please, please subscribe if you're new and you're enjoying the content. There's plenty more on the way. I've got a track day booked now on the 6th of September. You're going to have some videos of that. I'm excited for that. And yeah, enjoy these next clips, guys, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.